We have Jonathan Corpina back and in action. Literally, Jonathan is working really hard right there today. And I have a very appropriate question for you.
What's that?
Well, considering we talked about tariffs last time with you traveling around and stuff, what about dollar strength or the dollar's action in earnings?
That is clearly something that we watch during earnings season, especially when we're watching some of the financial sectors and some other sectors that have correlations to other currencies. We have seen the dollar get stronger. I think it's a sign that we've been looking for and hoping for, and it's probably something that's going to continue for a little bit here.
So it's a good thing.
It absolutely is a good thing. I think it's good overall sentiment for investors, whether it's Main Street or Wall Street, and I think that's something that has to be clearly looked at in our markets here, right? Investor sentiment has to be strong, has to be convinced that the markets and the dollar is something to invest in.
Well, talk about strong. We have some FANG stocks reporting this week. Google just blew it out. Now, these names are some of the most crowded trades. So should we exercise some caution with the excitement here?
Listen, crowded trade, yes, but still you have to roll with it as it continues to move. We get Apple at the end of the month, and that continues to roll higher and higher. Twitter at the end of this week. So some of these big stocks that are out there, you might feel that have had pretty good runs in them and can't move higher. I think they're going to continue to move higher. So continue to play with the trend that's there.
Okay, the trend is your friend, right? And you mentioned it is the end of the month. We are nearing it now. August has been historically a volatile month, so is it going to cause a scene?
What happens in August is most of Europe goes on vacation and they shut down, and I think we get some of that correlation here in the United States. I was expecting July to be a little less busy than what we were, and we've definitely seen some volatility here in the markets. We've seen S&P continue to trade above 2,800, which I think has been a significant level. I do expect August to be quiet as we get into back to school season. That's going to start to heat up with the retail. We've got some more FOMC meetings. We'll continue to talk about interest rates as we get into third and fourth quarter, so that's going to be an important catalyst to look at down the road.
Back to school. Stocks and kids have to be back to their best behavior.
We're getting there. Close enough.
Well, Jonathan, welcome back, and we hope to see you next Tuesday, right?
Great. Thank you very much.